Good morning, y'all. I think today I'm going to service my wife's car. And I got a present. Well, not a present, I bought it with my own money, but yeah. Anyway, so in here, let's put this one aside. That's what I'm pretty much going to need for the service today. So I went to Chinatown, got some gloves, 15 bucks, 16 bucks. Super cheap, yo, super cheap. I got some sandpaper and this because our hubcaps are kind of going, and to do my rim over. That'll be another video. In the box we got 4 spark plugs. We have a oil filter. That's part number on the pollen filter. No, this is the air filter. The engine air filter. Then we got fuel filter. This needs to get out of the service too. What else is in here? The sump nut washer, the ring, and we got 4 liter bottles of Castle Edge Professional 5W30. This is from Hyundai. This is what they throw in their cars. Who would have thought? I thought they doing some cheap stuff. Anyway, this is actually quite cool. And yeah, there's 4 of these. The car takes about 3.5 liters. So I'll be throwing in 3 and then, just checking the dipstick for that. Because you can never accurately tell. You can't just throw in 3.5. But yeah. But now I'm going to just, start it up. Warm up the engine. And then pull it up the rims. Yes. Let me just do that quickly. Okay, while I'm letting the engine warm up, here's the service system coils to change the spark plugs. Once it cleans up, it takes that off, and then each coil pack is held down by software over here now. The air filter must be changed, and the oil obviously is just beforehand. The bottle down there. The fluid's okay. Battery, no leaks. Oh, it's so dirty. Fan belt also. Other than it being really dirty, it doesn't look like much of a problem here. This will be the car's 120,000 kilometer, 150,000 kilometer service. And this one's only a 92, yeah. So there's some plug right in front. When you're down here, you also want to do a nice oil check. Everything's not leaking, CV joints, so on. And then it looks pretty okay. One cool thing is these cars, well, the Hyundais and Kias have stainless steel exhaust, so that's amazing. Okay, well, everything looks fine. Wall plugs. We're gonna have to drop it just a tad. Get all the oil out, but this is not all the room I have here. Sump nut is a 17. So, it feels like a 17. Yeah, 16 gone to 17. And this is with oil filter E, so you're gonna want to prep once you get this out, and you can see Hyundai Kia. I'm seriously worried that oil filter will not come off. Oh my god, that was so tight. You go a bit crazy when it turns some plugs loose, eh? We're gonna do this without spilling my shit in there. Press it in while you're turning it. Some portion here actually looks pretty nice though. So, okay, that's the first thing you replace. Is that sump washer here. And there, you need to get it off and then replace that. Big boys. Here's a new one. Really simple, it comes off nicely. And you put the new one on. What you also want to do is just wipe the thread clean, you know. Any goodness in there. When I say goodness, I mean debris, thingies, you know. What you're going to want to do now is actually turn the oil filter off, which ain't going to be pretty. Let's see if I can get it off. I probably have a socket to turn this loose, so by the way, I have nothing.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, here's a little tip. I cannot get this off, so what I did was you make you like a chain. I have a lot of chain laying around because I have bicycles. I just maybe this length of chain that's longer than the circumference of the oil filter. So, and I zip tied it where it's tight with the. So you see, this is the circumference of the oil filter, like that piece. That's the circumference, and then there's an extra piece. So you put that piece around the oil filter like that. You can see it stays there. And you take a spanner like this. Yes, and that goes in the extra piece, like such. Oh, that sucks. Okay, maybe I can put it here so you can understand me better. Right, and then this goes in the extra piece there, right, like that. So now what happens is it turns tight and then there you go. Turns the oil filter. This is gonna make such a mess, it's not even funny. Oh my god. Oh, Mercedes-Benz oil filters aren't half as messy as this crap. Oh yes, nothing like a new filter. So good. Probably want to wipe down that surface. Now mind you, if it wasn't so difficult getting the oil filter off, this would have been a good jobby. You're going to want to put a little bit around the seal here, so it doesn't crunch it on itself. Just a little bit of oil. There you go, nothing hectic. I'd say fresh oil, but I mean, I'm gonna put the new oil in there. And turn this on. Hand tight, yo. That means you can actually put the sun plug in. And just before you tighten it down, you want to wipe away the excess because you can't get underneath the nut there. And tighten that for now, and then I'm going to go ahead and tighten this as much as I can, possibly can, without my hands slipping. I'll have to check it later in this life to see if it's leaking, but for now it should be fine. Some plug, let me tell you, when you tighten it, go in with a socket right at your hand like this, and then give it a nice, there we go. Right, now once you sort to the bottom out, I'm going to take this cover off. The spark plugs on. Coil packs are also 10 nuts down there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to put them in good. You want to put them in order. The cool part is the hanging of wires, so you can let them hang here while you get at the spark plugs. Once you do that, the oil filter is just a couple of clips. And here, there's 2 clips. You can get at the oil filter. The air filter, my bad. And there's a general spark plug. Take one out so you can check the code. You change. Look at that. The code right there. LZKR6B. This is the thin long spark plug, no platinum, no nothing like that. Oh, looking at these, wow, those are some good condition spark plugs right there. It's actually really good condition, this one. Nice to put wheel stains, kitty lifter. Let's check it on the floor. And that's the last one. Try to avoid the sun if you want to finger this one in, but you can't. You don't need to fall because you miss with a gap. There we go, it's inserted. You do. Dark spark plugs require a torque setting, but on there are two washers. The two washers are there for crushing purposes. So once you get, I see there, I can no longer turn it. You want to give it one quarter turn. Cortex back. Line them up nicely. Seat them nicely. They need to be. Insert the nuts. Nut all over the Cortex. Okay, when you tighten the Cortex, they actually move. So you're going to want to hold it there. Right there. All the wiring. Okay, you want to go just nice and snug on this because there is no need for us to be tightened very much. There's no, other than that part number, there's nothing else on it. I'm pretty sure this filter is common over all. So okay, on the cup. It lays like that. Oh, look at the difference there. Oh, lovely. Okay, so like the guy said, it's 3 bottles, 3 liter. I'm almost dead sure it's less because this car was overfilled. I'll put this too far away, just need to lose now. One thing I want to do is clean this out. This must be clean. So it's 3 liters still. You check the dipstick. By the way, this is not sponsored. Check all that other stuff out. Look at that. 3 liters to fill up. So see there, they charge you for 4 bottles. Only really need 3. Ain't that nice? Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's over the second line. And that's full. And it's all the way full. So they overfill these cars. They totally overfill these cars. That's why they feel down on power. Flipping out. Throwing 4 bottles. Are you kidding me? Well, there you go. Starts nicely. That chain sound was a bit worrying, but that's because there's no oil in the engine. But yeah, that's what I'm going to. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to leave the job there. It needs a fuel filter also, but that is under the seat. It's actually in the tank, and that's another job. And I'm going to do that on another time because it's watching out. But yeah, that's pretty much 120 kilometers. So obviously you need to check the brakes, you need to check the fluids. It needs brake fluid also, but the fluid is fine, it's not brown or anything. obviously maybe coolant, stuff like that, and battery check, and that's about it. That's the service. Hope that